There are two handles on your router's base. The handles provide a secure and safe grip for the router. The handles are plastic with a rubber coating for improved grip. The most common problem with the handles is accidental damage caused by dropping the router. Replacing the handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old handle from the base. The handle is secured with a single screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new handle. You'll notice there's a tab on the metal base. That tab aligns with the notch on the handle. I'll align the tab with the notch and then secure the handle with the screw. And that's how easy it is to replace the handle on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.